Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here with MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. I want to take a moment today and show you a brand new NauticStar 223 DC that is available and ready for delivery. Folks, this is a great boat. This is a hybrid boat. You can do so many things with this boat. I want to take a second and point out that air assisted chine there. What does that mean? A much smoother ride, gets on plane a lot quicker when you're out with the family and you're having fun. Smoother ride when it's choppy. It's powered with the famous, the flagship Yamaha 154 stroke motor. Notice the appointments on the back. It has C-deck on the back for boarding, getting off. Very nice on the feet, but it's got a lot of features in this boat. Let's go point out a few. Come on aboard. Okay, here we are aboard the NauticStar 223 DC. I want to take a few minutes here in the cockpit area and show you how awesome this boat is for having so much fun on the water, going out with the family, taking out the family. If you've got kids, you want to ski or you want to tube, you got your ski pylon here. You got your bimini top, plenty of shading for the whole cockpit area here. But look at the seating, folks. Plenty of seating everywhere. And I wanted to point out, it does have a table mount that comes up here so you can sit around with the family, have your drinks, have your lunch, have refreshments. What a great time back here. Does come equipped with a sink here. It's also got a head down here for those that's important to them. Here at the helm, you'll see that it is equipped with a 5-inch Simrad. It has your infinity stereo that's all Bluetooth capable. As we move up here to the bow, notice if you're out and you're in some inclement weather and you want to get out of the rain, you need to get home real quick, you can completely close the windshield off and close this off, so you can get out of the elements, as well as if it's a little cool, you can still take this boat for a boat ride. Notice all the bow seating up front, plenty of room to stretch out, throw your legs out. Notice this right here is part of a bow filler cushion, so this comes with 2 of these, so you can have a sun lounge up here. Really nice, plenty of storage. You can lift these seats up, comes with a cover for the boat. And then what I really like is, notice how you can step up here to the bow area. Casting platform, diving platform, has a ladder. So listen folks, this is a great opportunity to own a boat that is available, that you can just do a little bit of everything on the water. So give me a call. Again, my name is Kenny Brown, MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. You can reach me at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.